Taking a peek at the key fob for the Aviator. So you've got the unlock button, lock button, remote start, trunk release, horn or panic alarm, and then there's the emergency access key. So if you ever need to get into the vehicle and the fob's died on you or the vehicle's died, along the driver's side, so you can see the mirror, there's this tiny little cutout. If you pop it up, you can just kind of see there's a little keyhole there. So you're just going to insert, twist, in order to be able to get inside the vehicle. There are other things that you can do with the fob. So remote start, you press the lock button once and the circle button twice. So you just go lock, circle, remote started. To cancel the remote start, you push that circle button there once. You can double press there in order to get into the lift gate, but you can also use the key fob in order to roll the windows up and down. So in order to do it, you press the unlock button twice, and on the second button press, you're going to hold. And that's going to be to roll them down. Down they go. You can press the lock button to pause it part way, and then to restart the cycle, you press the unlock button again twice. Second button press, you're going to hold. Down they go. And then rolling them back up is the opposite. So you're going to press the lock button twice. On the second button press, you're going to hold. So you're going to go 1, 2, and hold. And the same idea. You can unlock in order to be able to stop it part way. Or same thing, you press the lock button twice. Second button press hold. And back up they go. Pretty neat.